introduction and the objective of this program.
My group members and also my classmates for helping and teaching me things that I lack about throughout the process of finishing this program. So, torque, horsepower and CC calculator is meant to help engineers or just any other people to easily calculate the value of torque, horsepower and CC of vehicles. This program will make things easier as you just have to insert the value of the input stated and get those output values in no time. Moving on to the objective, the first is to calculate the value of torque, horsepower and CC of vehicles, and the second is to make things easier.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nur Afiq bin Bahlan. I will talk about the input and the output of this program. Bore diameter, length of stroke, number of cylinders, force and radius. The output for our coding is horsepower, cc and torque.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad Shazani bin Shauzaman. So today I'm going to explain about flowchart, which is about torque, horsepower and cc calculator. So if you want to calculate, you press Y and enter, and if you enter Y, the program will ask you if you want to calculate cc or you want to calculate torque and horsepower. So if you want to calculate cc, you press 1 and the program will ask you the bore diameter, length of stroke and number of cylinder. After that, the program will calculate cc and will display your cc of your engine. And if you want to continue, you press Y, and if you want to stop, you press N. Okay, but if you want to calculate torque and horsepower, so you enter 2 and the program will ask you linear force, distance from the axis of rotation and the angle between them, and speed in RPM. And after you input all of that information, the program will calculate all of that and will display your engine torque, your engine horsepower, and the program will end if you press N. But if you want to calculate all of that again, you press Y. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you.
Hello guys. So ini adalah projek yang telah kami lakukan. First, seperti yang anda semua dapat lihat, this is a header file that I have include, which is first we use header file include IOStream. Second, header file cmat, and third, last one, header file stdlibrary.hash. Semua header file ni ada dia punya function sendiri. Contohnya function header file cmat kami gunakan untuk dalam pengiraan. Contohnya dalam kegunaan pengiraan sin, cos dan tangent. Dan std library ni kami gunakan untuk sistem close di mana dia adalah berfungsi untuk clear previous page and open a new page. Kami gunakan first sistem while seperti yang anda dapat lihat di sini, sistem while yang mana dia akan buat looping sehingga user masukkan no ataupun stop untuk keluar daripada program looping ni. Alright. So tanpa kita tunggu lama lagi, kita teruskan contohnya. Okay. Sini anda dapat lihat untuk masuk ke dalam program ni, kita perlu tekan please enter Y. Okay. Dan dia akan keluar kita punya front page. Dia akan minta kita masukkan 1 ataupun 2 untuk memilih sama ada kita nak buat cc ataupun mengira torque dan horsepower. Contohnya saya masukkan untuk pengiraan cc. Alright, sorry ya. Pengiraan cc. Okey. Okay, dia minta kita masukkan bore diameter. Okey, contohnya kita masukkanlah 20. Okey, length of stroke 3 contohnya. Number of cylinder 2. So dia akan bagi number cc engine kita 1884 cc. Kalau kita mahu continue, kita tekan Y, then let's go to previous page, which is front page. Kita cuba yang kedua, which is for calculate torque and horsepower. Kita masukkan linear force 30, axis of rotation 45, angle between F and R, which is force and axis of rotation, maybe 30, right? And speed in RPM kita boleh refer dalam buku panduan kenderaan yang kita telah beli. So di sini dia keluar engine torque 674 dan 385. Jika kita tekan Y, dia akan balik ke previous page, which is front page. Dan untuk menamatkan program ni, kita hanya perlu tekan no, which is end. Dan program akan diberhentikan.